So my topic is, do you have bank accounts? Do you have bank accounts? Everyone? So that's why you collecting the money every week, correct now? So the bank account, where is the bank? Someone HDFC, someone ICICI, someone Axis, correct? They like that. Do you have a business account? Do you have business account? Hello? Do you have business account? Where it is? Where it is? Do you have business account? Where it is? Huh? Virtual office. So within you, the business account is must. Within you, the business account is must. When your business will grow? When your business will grow? Hello, tell me first. When you deposit your hard work or brain or using effort and all, correct or not? Then that time you are getting more. Perfectly, na? The same way, when we utilize, every day you are utilizing that bank account or not? Your business account, are you using everyday bank account? That the business account are you using? But maximum people today, the LLMs are telling one thing. Some people are managing, some people are only lead. Correct or not? Some people are managing, some people are lead. But maximum 95% people are doing managing. So the 5% people, they lead teams. Correct or not? The same way, in my heart, there is a business account. When I learn continuously, the account will be rise. Correct or not? So when I learn every day, the account will be rise. Correct or not? So how we learn every day? I'll give you one slogan. You do one thing yesterday. The slogan, you please note it on the slogan. The learning yesterday, the live today, hope tomorrow. What is that? Learning yesterday, live today, hope tomorrow. That means, what you know today? You are living. So tomorrow? For tomorrow, today is yesterday. Correct or not? For tomorrow, today is yesterday. That means, everyday learning is more important. Correct or not? You know, are you seeing this National Geographic channel? So which animal most powerful and most fast running animal? Cheetah. And when cheetah hunting one lady, who will win? Which one win? Who? Cheetah. Correct? No. The maximum lady will win. Why? Because cheetah most powerful runner. Correct or not? When cheetah behind a lady, that lady have one technique. In sudden movement, the lady taking a turn. The lady taking one turn. That time, the cheetah don't know. Suddenly, that lady took sudden turn. Correct or not? Because of that reason, the cheetah don't know how to control himself, how to take the turn. Because of that single reason, lady will become a winner. That cheetah will lose that lady, the food. Correct or not? That technique we should learn every day, my dear friends. You are a millionaire. How to turn. Hello. Are you understand my point? How to turn in that situation, you should learn every day. Am I right or wrong? So, that for lacking of knowledge, we are not learning. We are not maintaining our business account. So build your business account within you. Do you have business account? Really, tell me, friends. Do you have? Hello? Do you have a real business account in you? Yes. Huh? Seriously? Yes. So it is growing every day, it is less every day? Huh? Growing every day because of your effort. Are you using every day that account? So I'll give you one suggestion. It's my personal opinion. It's my philosophy. When I'm increasing my business account in my mind, when I am increasing my business account in my heart, automatically the account will rise with the money always, my dear friends. That is my technique. So when learning, so cheetah is faster than a lady, correct or not? Cheetah is faster than a lady, but sometimes cheetah not win. So he's backing with a lady, the correct or not? The same way with a skill, with the knowledge, with the techniques, sometimes we are lost our everything. But this kind of techniques we need every time. So after millennia, how we will turn in the next level. So what is my exactly thought, after Black Diamond, how I turn to reach Royal Black Diamond. That is my situation right now. That is my situation. So actually 5 months before, I stopped build my business account. I stopped build my business account. Then I can realize, and again I started my business account. Seriously, when you reach the next level rank, you stopped your business account. Definitely this is going to happen in your business. Correct or not? After Emerald, so what you were thinking level? Yes, I reach top. Then I can get relaxed. But you don't know how to turn to Sapphire. Correct or not? We should learn. We should learn. Am I right or wrong? Yes. So, seriously, after Black Diamond, for me, this kind of situation happened. After Pearl, after Emerald, the same situation happened or not? Within you, correct or not? So jumping the rank is not important. So between the process is there. Seriously, I told my dear friends. Seriously, I am telling you. And the jumping the rank, it is not important. Jumping the rank mean because of organization, because of product, because of leadership. So maximum people are jumping to the rank. But in between, there is a process. There is a process. The learning, develop the skills, it will must every day. Am I right or wrong? Hello? Yes. So now, what I am, my exactly thought level. So mine is Black Diamond level. So again, I want to go to Royal Black Diamond. I need to learn more things. And I want to take turn, how to take turn, how to holding myself, how to control myself. All need to learn myself, correct or not? Then my dear friends, I am giving one simple example. Don't relax. Don't relax. Don't take head your rank. Don't take to head your rank. Be humble always. Why Rajinikanth become a superstar? The why Rajinikanth become a superstar? He's a handsome. He is fair. Because of humbleness. After become a superstar, after he was a superstar, and he has become a humble. He was become humble. Because of that reason, in entire India, who is the number one hero? Mr. Rajinikanth. Am I right or wrong? But seriously, I am telling you, my dear friends, build your business account. Today onwards, you please keep it this word. So please build the business account. We always thinking about bank account. Correct or not? We are always thinking about bank account. How much this week I can earn. So next week. But we are not thinking about our business account within us. Am I right or wrong? So if you are thinking in the same way, how I learn today, how much I take from any book, any person, how much subject I need to take. Every day you please check it. They give it to you, 1 to 10. The 1 to 10. So every day check yourself. Before bed, you please check it once every day. So are you giving 5 marks to you? Are you giving 6 marks to you? Are you giving 10 marks, 10 out to 10? You please check it. If you given to you the 10 of the 10, let go sleep very well. Otherwise, plan for tomorrow, my dear friends. Plan for tomorrow. Wake up early and go to market. So that is a mindset. Actually, our Sumitji told about mindset. What about your mindset presently? Are you satisfied with emerald? Are you satisfied with a millionaire? Are you satisfied with a 50 lakh money? Huh? Check yourself. Check yourself. It is very, very important. Even we are not satisfied with a more than 3 crores money. We are not satisfied. We are still hungry. We are still hungry. So, if you're asking why you are energetic, so eagerly waiting for next level, next thing, next, what next? Because of we are mad people. Because we are mad people. So, like that, we are doing business. So, business always, not in outside. Business always inside. Am I right or wrong? Business always inside. So, even every day, I'm trying to deposit in my business account. Are you doing that? Every day, are you filling a business account? So, if you're doing like that, every day, your bank account will be increased, my dear friends. Your bank account increase easily. So, for everything, each and everything, for every movement, for getting knowledge, for becoming ranks and all, it's a very most important thing, the mindset. What is exactly present mindset you have? Please evaluate it. Please check it. You are comparing to the emerald executive satisfied. You are comparing with a sapphire. You are satisfied. You are comparing with a diamond. You are satisfied. You are comparing with a black diamond. If you are satisfied, what is your exactly mindset? You please check it. He won't become a black diamond, but in between these all middle short goals, he's having the long-term vision. This is called wisdom. Am I right or wrong? Yes. So that kind of spirit you should have 100%. Am I right or wrong? Yes. Then are you satisfied what you have today? Hello? Are you satisfied what you have today? Loudly tell. So some people are satisfied, I know. Exactly. Your voice clearly telling, so I'm satisfied. Are you doing business with a present mind and with a mad mind? Hello? Are you mad? Become a black diamond. Wish you all the best. See you at top level. Thank you so much.